Hello everyone, this is Sriram Balaji. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Work IQ Copilot MCP and Copilot Studio. Here's a brief look at my socials, LinkedIn, YouTube, and my website. If you like this video, consider hitting the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. So just recap on what is Work IQ MCP. Work IQ is the intelligence layer that grounds the Copilot Studio agents in real-time shared context across your organization. Work IQ applies an extensive understanding of your work to help Copilot Studio agents deliver insights. You can add Work IQ MCP tools to your Copilot Studio agents to enhance what they can understand and do. So these are the various Work MCP tools available in Copilot Studio. So you can extend your Copilot Studio agents by using these Work MCP tools, right? So these tools connect your agents to the Work service, so you can get the responses that are grounded in your LOB or work data. In this video, we're going to focus on Work IQ Copilot MCP. You can use the Work IQ Copilot MCP tool to search across your Microsoft 365 ecosystem, including SharePoint sites, email messages, OneDrive files, Team chats, and other Microsoft 365 content. This tool enables discovery of documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, presentations, emails, sites, and other enterprise content by querying your Microsoft 365 data sources. Here are a few features. Uh, the Microsoft 365 Copilot integration. It can do a direct chat integration with Microsoft 365 Copilot. It provides a multi-turn conversation support and a contextual chat where you can do a file grounding for contextual responses and also attach files as contextual resources. Uh, the next one is the conversation management. You can continue existing conversations and also start new conversations. Here are a few typical use cases. You can search for documents, PDFs, and spreadsheets, as I mentioned earlier, across Microsoft 365. You can find informations in Teams, chats, and SharePoint sites. You can also discover organizational content when the question might be domain specific, and this tool can act as a fallback search when workload or specific tools are not available, and you can ground responses with files which you have in SharePoint or OneDrive, and you can also maintain a conversation context for multi-turn interactions. Let's go through a quick demo of Work IQ Copilot agent. So here, this agent is using the Work IQ Copilot MCP tool. Um, so I'll show an existing chat I had with us recently. Uh, I'm asking the agent search for any Teams chats which discuss about Work IQ. So this is searching the Teams chat and finding anything that was discussed about Work IQ. So let's just scroll down. So it's thinking, and then it'll come back with the Teams chat messages. So this was the one of the chats it found. I can go ahead and click it. So this will take me to Teams to the message, the exact message there. Okay, that's the one. The next one is I'm asking you to summarize the document, and I'm giving the link to the SharePoint location of that document. So here, basically, this is a contextual file grounding. So because I'm giving the link to the file. So what it does, it thinks and then comes back, and this is the thinking. It's done. The agent is done, and then it gives me a summary of that document in SharePoint. So that's example of contextual file grounding. Just moving on. Here I'm searching SharePoint. I'm saying find any documents in SharePoint related to troubleshooting external displays. So this invokes the tool again, WorkIQ Copilot MCP tool again, and then it searched my SharePoint site and it found this document and gives a link to that document. So if I click it, it'll take me to that SharePoint site and open that document. Okay. The next one is the search email. So what I'm doing here is search for any email regarding Wi-Fi connectivity issues. So this is doing a search in my mailbox and finding all the emails where it is subject as Wi-Fi connectivity issues. So So it has found some emails which has Wi-Fi connectivity issues. The thing is, this is one of the emails. So what I can do, you can click on this link and open this in Outlook web. Yeah. The last but not the least, this is about multi-turn conversation. So what I'm saying is, okay, hey, you found the mail regarding Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Are there any Teams chats regarding the same issue? So now it has the context, and here I'm doing a multi-turn conversation. So it comes back and says, hey, you know what? You also have a Teams chat message which is discussing about the same issue. So I can click on this link, and this will open this Teams chat. Let me walk through how I created this agent. This is the Work IQ Copilot agent. This agent shows how to use Work IQ Copilot MCP tool to search across your Microsoft 365 ecosystem. So if I go to the tools, so I have just one tool, which is Work IQ Copilot MCP tool. So this is the tool, MCP tool I have. Yeah, just give me a second. So it has a Copilot chat, which does the search. So let me also show you how I added this tool. I said add a tool, and I search for Work IQ. So I chose Work IQ Copilot MCP, and then click add and configure. So I'm not going to do that because I've already added the tool. So that's how I got this tool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.